them fucking crackers, you know they all racist. Get a fucking grip. You want to be a victim so fucking bad. Everything is a fucking conspiracy. Oh my God, you know that they put cotton inside of pill bottles to remind black people that they were cotton pickers before drug dealers. Get the fuck out of here. Get a grip. The only racism that exists is in your mind. Sure, there are bad eggs. But to throw a blanket title on all white people because somehow, somewhere, the leaders of the Black Caucus are teaching you that white man bad, black man good, is absolutely absurd. Wake up and smell the sodomy. Society is not how you imagine in your head. There are good people out there, people that want to see you succeed.